As you're watching this video, I assume you can count 1 to 10 in Cantonese. Ready for the next challenge? Let's go! Hi, welcome to Weekend Canto. 越廣越講 is Tracy here. Basically, any number from 11 to 99, you'll just have to combine the tens digits and the units digits. For example, like 11, we say 10 sub first, followed by 1 yat, that's sub yat, 11. So from 11 to 19, we have sub yat, sub yat, sub yi, sub yi, sub sam, sub sam, sub say, sub say, sub 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 lục, sub lục, sub thất, sub thất, sub ba, sub ba, sub九, sub九. Now we're up to 20. We say 2 tens in Cantonese, which is 20. How about 21? We say 21 first, followed by 一, that's 21. 21. This formula is up to 100. For 100, we don't say 10 tens as we have the word for 100, which is ba. For 100, we say 一百. 一百. In the ancient days, the word ba looked like this. The line on the top means 1. The bottom part originally referred to a thumb that it got borrowed to represent the word 100, ba. You may also have heard people saying 21 and 31, which means 21 and 31, especially when they refer to the calendar. Just to remember, we don't normally say ya or sa on its own when counting numbers, unless there is a measure word at the end. Before we go, I'll give you a few numbers in English, then you can read them out in Cantonese. 28. For this number, we say 21 followed by ba. That's 28, or you could say 28. 38. For this number, we say 31 followed by ba. That's 38, or you could say 38. 99. For this number, we say 91 followed by 9. That's 99. One more. Do you remember this one? 100? That's right. It's 100. That's all for now. If you'd like to learn more about Cantonese, please check out my other videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!